Hey everyone, welcome to today's vlog. I just thought I would pop in really quick to tell you about the vlog that you're about to watch. This is the Ragnar Relay, and it is the So Cal Ragnar Relay, and I just thought I'd tell you a little about it in case you have no idea what it is. It's a 200-mile-ish relay race from San Diego to Long Beach. It used to be from Long Beach to San Diego, but they've switched it now. It's 200 miles split between 12 people. There are 6 people in each van, and each person runs 3 legs of the race. So you run 3 legs, you take a break while the other van all runs their legs, and then you take turns like that. Each person runs anywhere from 3 to 10 miles per leg, and each person's mileage usually totals between 11 and 24 miles. So I ran, I think it was almost 18 miles. My husband ran 19.8 miles, but it was split up into 3 runs. So anyway, it's a lot of fun. It's from San Diego to Long Beach, and you get to hang out in a van with a bunch of other people and meet a lot of people along the way, meet a lot of like-minded people along the way, because runners are a different breed, and I love doing this race. It's over a 24-hour period. We actually placed, I can't remember, 13th or 15th place out of 175 teams, which was pretty cool. We weren't trying to break any records or anything, but yeah, so I just wanted to pop on really quick and explain to you what the Ragnar Relay is. I don't even know if I did a good job explaining what it is, but I'll leave a link to their website down below. But I hope you guys enjoy the vlog. Ragnar packing time. I do Ziploc bags for each leg of my race.
Mine don't fit.
Spent the morning watching Star Wars, and now we're finally packing for Ragnar.
Blue dude, blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you?
If anyone's curious, when's my leg 1 start?
4 o'clock.
Leg 1 starts at 4 o'clock in the evening. It shouldn't be too hot, so I have a pair of black Lulu leggings, a thin headband, Lulu bra, and a Nike tank top, socks and, personal stuff. And then my second leg is gonna be at the beach, probably at 1 or 2 in the morning, so it's gonna be a lot colder. So I have a Nike sports bra. We decided on these pants because they're bright and it'll be easier to spot me at night. And I have a thicker headband that kind of covers my ears if it's too cold. I have a long sleeve shirt, some socks, and my nighttime running gloves. And then for my third leg, which will probably be 2 o'clock in the afternoon through the middle of the city in Huntington Beach area, I think, I decided it'll probably be pretty hot. So I picked this, Periwinkle Lululemon leggings, this white Nike tank top, another headband, another Lulu bra, and some more socks. So those are for my 3 legs. I'll probably wear this Nike jacket during my nighttime run, and then these are just 2 extra thicker long sleeve shirts in case I need one, and then that's just some pajamas and shorts to wear after. So that's all of the clothing, and I'm gonna put these all inside the Ziploc bags so that when it's time for each leg of my race, I can just grab them out of my bag.
Blue dew, blue moon, been 1 or 2 since I ran into you. Do you need a picture? Well, that gets old. It's hard to take one when your iPhone's full. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you? Not blue.
pajamas and stuff, I'm gonna pack in a different bag that we're gonna leave in the car. This is just what I need while on the van. This is what I keep my phone in. It goes around my little waist. Okay. Ooh, I almost forgot my AirPods. That's it. I printed up all of our legs and times that we start too. Okay, what else do we need? Running shoes?
Check.
Reflective vest and the headlamps and the tail lights.
I've been asking you where that stuff is at.
I don't know.
You put it away somewhere safe.
I shall find it.
Just for this day.
I shall find it. Okay, here's my nighttime vest. I have these, make sure they work, little rear lights that light up in the dark because we have to wear a rear light at night. Make sure this one works too. Yep. Okay, got both of those. And then this is to hold my race bib so that I don't have to pin it to my shirt or anything. You just put these through the holes. And I think this was set to my husband before because it's really big. So you just put it on and then you put it to the bib. That way you're not pinning the bib to you. And then the worst part, I hate these, is the headlamp. Ow. Okay. So we have to wear a headlamp if we're running at night for safety reasons a lot of times because we're running with traffic. Is it working? I don't think it has batteries in it. Crap. We don't have AAA batteries. Oh, I do. We are one AAA battery short. Can you see me okay? Okay. So I hate wearing these because they leave a big old dent in your head. And mine's a beach run, so it's gonna be really dark. So that's bright. So yeah, cool. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put all of my safety gear into another Ziploc bag just so it's all together because they do check us to make sure we have everything.
Yeah, I have.
Okay, I think we're pretty much all packed up now. My husband's doing some last minute client follow-up and we just need to pack a few of our bathroom items, toiletries into another bag. And then we're gonna take the dogs for a walk because their sister won't be here until later tonight to watch them. And then we'll probably go grab a snack and visit one of our fellow runners before we head to the hotel. I think that's it. I'll probably record again once we get to the hotel. We're all supposed to meet there around 4 o'clock and it's about 2:20 right now. So we're gonna get moving. So it is 4:48 and we just got to our hotel, and the other van that is with us, the other 6 people, they are already here. We went to go grab a quick bite to eat and to go get some cough drops and stuff because my throat keeps drying out on me and I don't want to have like a choking fit on my run. So we grabbed something to eat real quick. Now we're at the hotel. We're gonna go in, take all our stuff, and then we're supposed to decorate the vans and just hang out together and talk. And a lot of us don't know each other, so just get to know each other better before our race tomorrow. I am feeling really tired right now. I think I'm not quite over being sick yet, so I will probably go to bed early tomorrow. We're the second van, so we don't start the race until like 11 or 12, so that's good. It gives me some time to sleep in the morning, take my time, get up and get ready. I feel a little sick right now because that's the first meal I've had all day. My stomach's not sure what to think about it. Okay, so the other people who are here said the room's nice, so I can't wait to check it out. you doing?
Not being in the picture?
It's a video. Captain Kirk. What is he drawing?
I'm just trying to divide it out.
Oh.
Well, it's too big.
I don't know. Right.
Ryan's doing like a whole... He's in the front.
Good morning. I'm not going to talk too loud because our other van mate, running mate, can you hear that train? Surprisingly, I didn't hear that all night. My husband's in the restroom and our other running mate and van mate is asleep still right now. So van number 1 already took off to the starting line. We're van number 2. Our hotel checkout is at 10. So we're gonna just slowly get up. I made some coffee. It's not an espresso. It's not even Keurig, but hopefully it'll wake me up a little. We were up last night talking and getting to know each other and just having some fun. And let's see what else. So we don't start until like noon, I believe. There's a lot of really fast runners in the first van. I think they might get done sooner than we originally anticipated, but we're in Oceanside right now, but we're gonna drive back down to Torrey Pines Glider Port for the start of our race. But until then, we're gonna meet our other van mates at our apartment and just kind of hang out, probably have a little snack. I'm feeling a lot better. My nose is still kind of stuffy. I'm watching like all this police activity down the street. They look like they're blocking the on-ramp. I don't know if that's for the race or if something's going on. Well, I'm gonna have my cup of coffee and I'll try to remember to record as much of this as possible. Brought my GoPro too. So hopefully we remember to do some recording. We still have quite a few hours. It's gonna be a warm day. My first run is at like 1 and it's gonna be almost 80 degrees, I think. I'm not used to running in the heat. Let's get started. Heading to our apartment and then gonna get this race started. Our other van is already running and we're picking up some breakfast right now. Ready to do this.
You better turn up. You better be there when I shake. Watch me rockin' if I can't stop. If I should fall, just go ahead. Go and catch me, baby. Ooh, I live it. That's my true love, true to love.
AM in the car, car playing our favorite song. Turn it up, windows down, we sing along. The summer night has just begun. The moon is bright, let's have some fun. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. Calling sick in the morning, baby, don't leave. They don't need to know we're out here wild and free. They say we're crazy, it's too much. And yeah, we're crazy, deep in love. Oh, this is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything with you right next to me. So alive, and tonight I'm thinking that I don't wanna go. This is everything